Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome in Study with Nova. So today I will show you how to solve the question. This is like a same question, same concept from the two question that I solved before, about class and then about how to make instance and calling using the instance. But the difference is because this is the class is like have like attribute like a first name, last name, and another attribute, so that not only two attributes and several attributes. And then the other thing, I think it is same like before, like we have a like two method. The first one is always init method, the second one is like describe users. It is like method that describe about the user, the summary of the user's informations, and the third one is the greet users that print personalized greeting to the user. So this is just calling the attribute that the first and the last name, not the another's information like email or the password is we didn't want to print it. So and then we can call like before that we make a several instance representing different users, maybe my name, and then second one your kid, and then your husband, and we have like a personalized instance representing different user. And then we can call both method. For instance, we can call the describe user and then the greet users. So how is it, how we make it possible for us to making this class is makes easier for us to understand, and then how to solve this. Okay, the first is the class is called users, user like this, and then no I mean I'm sorry, I make some mistake, just class this, and then create two attribute called first name and last name. And then don't forget to what's the meaning, use making your method that this is init method, and then like this. Then the first is self, and then second one is first name, and then last name, and then what's the information of your account is like a password and your email, and then your password passwords in your email. So in this you make attribute that is self, and then your first name here, and then you just call is first name, and then you just add yourself, and then last name here, and then last name, and then email yourself, and then email, and then your email here, and then self that password is your password. wait why email with passwords like this, and then your password is done. This is your first method, because the init method are always in the beginning to initialize the function. So the second one is like describe user. So this is like before, it is like this to describe all of the informations that you have, and then you can like this. What's meaning? First name is with here, and then you press add yourself dot first name here, the second one is print dot f dot what's my last name here, and then wait nay, I'm sorry, okay, and then here I wait a minute, and then self dot last name here, and then print, and then email f email, oh wait nay, forget, okay, self dot email here, and then the last is your password f sorry, f like this, passwords here, and then you can calling your password. Okay, done. This is your describe email, and then we can wait a minute, describe user, so this greet user, so your method is greet user here, and then you can just only your name, because this is just only greeting, not your describe user. Print hello, your name, self dot first name, and then self dot the last name, hello, welcome in this site, have a nice day. This like before, I mean, yeah, and then make okay, done. Create a several instance representing different user and call both method for each user. So I think I will make maybe like a 3 instance, because I want to make the information about 3 user. I will say that the user one maybe I want to yes, I want to maybe like my name, and then my here, and then what did it mean, password, email, maybe this email gmail.com, and then my password here, maybe like that, and then the another users is just calling your class, and then here Ratmi, and then the last name is Mawar maybe, and then your password at gmail.com, and then what is your password, maybe like that, and the third one is your calling your user Melati and Pelangi. I don't know how is it, and then your at gmail.com, and then your password here. So done. This is, you have like a 3 instance. Prints personalized greetings to use create several instance representing different user and call both method for each user. So I would say I have you just calling wait a minute, I forget, user dot describe user, and is it true, I forget, yeah, how to calling, how to, is it true or is it wait a minute, okay, I'm forget. So the calling is instance, not the class. Okay, instance. So like this, user one, describe users, and then user one is greet like this. Okay, it's easy. You can calling here. Say, don't forget to choose two because this is the user, so this is the chart. So, okay, done. It's easy, right? And then you just add 9 3 hub plus like this. So the first name is Nova. Wait. Create a separate instance the person and call, but okay, but right. Because we don't calling the in this question we don't make a calling to the instance. We just calling the both method that is a grep user and greet user. So that's why the output will be the first name, my name, email, get and password, and then greet user. So welcome, they said have a nice day, like this. Ratmi Mawar, and then yeah, that's good. Because create several instance, just only create several, and we don't calling the instance. It's different like this. Because wait a minute, in like name one, we just make an instance called restaurant from your class, and then this is we make print the true attribute individually, and then that's why we use like this, and then call both methods. So in this question we don't calling the attribute, we don't calling the first name last name like before, but we just only calling the method here and then the method here. So that's why the output is like this. So I hope it's clear. I hope make you understand about this concept. And then yeah, let's try another question, maybe like more complex questions there in the class sessions in this chapter. Yep. And then don't forget to add your yep this is same like before. I don't know what's the comment here. Maybe creating multiple instance. Creating multiple instance and calling method okay, then I think it's enough for this question. Let's try another questions. Bye bye.